Thanks for joining this week on Dezignworks TV. Today we'll be talking to you about Dezignworks 2020 and the new Roamer Absolute device with a new RS6 scanner. So we set up a full-size fender to a car. We're going to show you how fast and efficient these two products are together. With Dezignworks interface to SolidWorks, you simply hit one button to scan. Out of the Dezignworks setup, it's already configured to start scanning. You'll notice on the part you're going to see a red and a blue little box. You just have to get those somewhat close and start scanning. So we're going to actually pull the trigger, start scanning. This again, full size fender. This is how fast you can scan parts. Dezignworks has new advanced meshing technologies to actually do adaptive scanning and actually adapting to the meshing. We can change the size of the triangles on the fly and scan. So you can see how fast I can move this. It's unbelievable. So we'll get a little bit back here and you have a nice preview to see where you're going. Kind of how the camera ranges the edge with the holes and things. But you can stop and do whatever you want. So you see on the right side of the screen, we've taken over a million triangles that fast. So let's continue to scan. You see the preview line, pull the trigger. Away you go. Again, full-size fender. It's unbelievable how fast these two are together. Come over here and let's pick this up. So that fast, I scanned almost all that whole outside of that fender. Now you can't see on the camera angle here, there's a lip here. We'll go down the side of this lip. Notice on the scanner, the light changes from green to blue to red to show you if you're in focus. But it's super easy to use. We'll rotate the part around a little bit. You'll see on the bottom of this, there's some holes and stuff. You know, even though it can get great big areas, it can get these small areas as well on all this data. So we missed a little bit over here. So again, you can stop and start where you want. But we scanned that complete fender that fast. The next step is simply go in and put some features on it. So with the Dezignworks feature tools, we can probably do a loft or something on, but look at the quality of that scan and how fast. And we'll zoom in. Look down here, the amount of detail it gets. It's fast and efficient. And if you want to continue to scan, we can turn it like this, even though the camera view is not down there. We can go over here, and you're going to say, well, what about all this hard area, so that flat area? It doesn't matter. We can grab all this. That quick and easy. It's super fast and efficient. So Dezignworks tracks the amount of triangles. So now we're up to 2 million, over 2 million triangles. You can simply go into the mesh feature tools. And this tool part doesn't really have a lot of features like bosses and stuff like that. It's got some holes. What we wanted to show you is some of the painting and how intelligent it is. So you probably, if you were going to do this, you would probably go ahead and do a loft on here. So we'll use our intelligent painting. Go like this. And we'll just loft this top piece. This right here probably would be a different loft. So again, you can switch to the brush or whatever you want to do. Come up here, I'm going to say I don't want this in my loft. I can change real fast to like this. So again, it's got over 2 million triangles. So if I want to go ahead and just do my loft on there, I simply use my loft tool. It automatically figures out the amount of cross section it needs. It can auto extend it 10%, 20%, whatever you want, and build your surface. If you told somebody you could scan a fender this fast, start surfacing it, they wouldn't believe you. But with this combo of these two tools, reverse engineering is possible for anything now. Then we'll go ahead and check the accuracy of it with our inspection tools. So there we got a few high spots. Again, we're just showing you for speed. We could tighten down the tolerance and put more cross sections. Dezignworks utilizes GPU, so that's why it's so fast to build features. So you can see how quickly and efficiently we scanned a whole front face of a fender. Now we didn't surface the whole thing, we surfaced the top to show you. But there's your native SOLIDWORKS surface, and it's auto extended past it. Let's go see how it fits. Now we would actually build the sides and trim it all, but for this quick video we just want to show you how fast you can scan. This is comparing the mesh. See how the mesh lays onto the native SOLIDWORKS surface. So you can see without any adjustments at all, we're holding tense over the whole fender. There's a couple areas we could actually pull down the tolerance to for the lofting tool, but you can also do this. We can generate a report. So you see over 90% of this, we're holding 5/10. If you want to see the areas that are off a little bit, again, we didn't surface this yet. In case there was an area, it colors all the balloons for you. You also can send these views out to a report by hitting the S key. You're not limited to any amount of views, as many as you want. So with Dezignworks, you not only can build your parts, you can reverse engineer, scan, and generate full reports for inspection. We'll dump this into our Excel, and you have a full report. This report can be customized. It's just simply an Excel. I'm going to click Image Sheets. So that fast, you can actually scan full-size parts like fenders. We'll hide this for a second. And there's all your cross sections. Those are fully editable. So if you need to edit and change all this, everything's native in SOLIDWORKS tree. And look at the quality of that. Check it out. Dezignworks 2020 with the Romer Absolute latest new RS6 scanner. We appreciate your time and have a great day.